Ready to turn your small business into a social media powerhouse? Let's unlock the secrets to online success in just a few steps. First, know your audience. Where do they hang out online? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Understanding their interests is key. Tailor your content to what they love, what problems they need solved. Next, set clear marketing goals. Want more website visits, brand recognition? Define your objectives, then craft content that moves you closer. Time to create compelling visuals, short engaging videos, and attention-grabbing text. Ensure it aligns with your brand's tone and what you stand for. Consistency is king. Establish a posting schedule and stick to it. Use scheduling tools to manage it all. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, answer questions, and build a community. Show them you value their input. Hashtags are your friends. Research relevant hashtags to expand your reach. Analyze your performance. What posts are working? What's not? Use this data to refine your strategy and boost your impact.